see them as often. So I just thought we would share some facts. Like I said, these are kind of basic Eclectus facts, but if you don't know much about this specific breed, then they will be new to you. So the first fact is really interesting, I think. So parrots usually have to have them DNA tested to tell if they're male or female, because you just can't tell the difference between the two. But with this species, the males are actually green, and the females are this really pretty red color that I'll show a picture of over here. So yeah, their gender is really easy to tell the difference between the two, and I find that to be really interesting. Okay, so fact number 2 is that they tend to be a quieter bird and usually prefer talking to screaming. And as you can kind of hear some of the nice little noises that he likes to make, that he's making now. But that does not mean that they won't be loud. Every bird is different. And they actually also can learn to mimic quite well. But yes, parrots can scream and they will scream. So do not get a bird if you cannot handle the loud noise. And if you think you can handle it, you should probably go out with some birds and see if you honestly can. So Romeo is generally a very quiet bird and just likes to make his sweet little noises, but we keep him very engaged and interacting with us, and that keeps him happy and keeps him from screaming. Okay, so fact number 3 is actually about their diet. They have a more complicated diet than other parrot species. They can actually begin to have quite some problems if their diet is not proper. They can begin to have toe tapping and muscle spasms. They do not need artificial vitamins in their diet, no artificial dyes. This can cause problems for them. They are very sensitive. They also require more fruits and vegetables than other parrot species. Their fruit and vegetable content needs to be about 80%, and the other 20% can be millet, nuts, and treats. So you're not going to be able to go to the store and buy a bag of pellets that has, it'll have a picture of an Eclectus on it, but more than likely that's